A sneeze can blast out of your nose at a staggering 100 miles per hour, a speed that rivals a roller coaster's thrilling descent. Imagine the sheer force required to propel tiny droplets through the air with such velocity, turning a seemingly innocuous reflex into a powerful, explosive event. This rapid release is your body's natural defense mechanism, expelling irritants like dust and pollen in a swift, involuntary burst. As the diaphragm contracts, it creates a pressure cooker effect, building up until, bam! Your body can't contain the energy any longer. The next time you sneeze, consider the incredible chain reaction taking place, a symphony of muscles and air pressure orchestrating an event that's as much about protection as it is about speed. So, hold on to your seats and tissues, because this everyday occurrence is more of a high-speed spectacle than you ever imagined.